Hello everyone, welcome to the Tarot World and welcome to the reading on messages you need to hear right now. So here we have three piles, this yellow deck, this sky blue deck or pile 2, this blue deck or pile 3. Pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Once you have picked your pile, you can just go to the time stamps I have provided and whatever you go with your intuition, whatever your intuition is guiding you towards, you can select the pile according to that. On messages you need to hear right now. So messages you need to hear right now for pile 1 or this yellow deck. So I'll be shuffling now. What does pile 1 need to hear right now? What does pile 1 need to hear right now? What does pile 1 need to hear right now? Oh, I got 2 cards. So, Commander Esther, call to action. Shekinah, sacred self. I hope you are able to see the cards. What does pile 1 need to hear right now? What does pile 1 need to hear right now? What does pile 1 need to hear right now? What does pile 1 need to hear right now? Okay, you got a Justice card. My favorite. What does pile 1 need to hear right now? The Emperor. So I feel like you people are like very polite people and you don't necessarily always speak your truth. So I feel like you people need to speak a bit more of your truth. So I'm sure. And with this Emperor card, wait, I'll show you. Okay, you got sharing. From the Osho Wind Tarot deck. And abundance. Oh, you really have good cards, I must say. Time for reflection, take inspiration from others' light. And rain, as I fall, I lead the earth to abundance. So you got 2 cards indicating abundance. I am really sure that abundance is on your way. So, oh, while I am talking of abundance, I get a new card. And this is a very auspicious sign of financial freedom and support from the universe. So I feel like you people will be. So I feel like you people are very spiritual people, and you people are constantly getting guidances from your angels. So I feel like you people. You people are, I'm really getting a very loud sign of throat chakra. So I feel like you people need to speak your truth, and you people need to first of all you people need to involve and make some time for self-reflection. Okay. With this abundance card, I feel like, I hope you are able to see these cards. With this abundance card, I feel like the abundance is coming your way, and it's not just financial independence and financial abundance. It's like over all area of your life with the rainbows, the sun, the moon. So you'll get the best of everything with this lotus flower. I see like a balance, a sense of balance is coming your way. So I feel like, and with the green, look at this person, he's so relaxed and calm in his head, and like even like divine guidance is flowing on his head from like the heaven or the sky, whatever you can call. So I feel like you people are constantly receiving downloads from the heaven or universe or divine or whatever power you believe in. So you people are like really spiritual and intuitive people. And also, now I get using your throat chakra. Call to action. Commander Aster, take charge, lead by example, and walk your talk. So I feel like, and with this too much of blue and red here, so I feel like a lot of energy of action and everything related to your throat chakra. So sharing. So I think that you people need to share whatever knowledge and downloads you all receive. I feel like you people are light workers or star seeds, or even if you are not among those, then you are definitely a spiritual person. So you need to receive whatever the knowledge is being given to you, and you need to share the knowledge of abundance. You need to propagate, teach people through workshops, and I see like a lot of you people will be involved in certain workshops of abundance and financial healing, etc. With this Shekinah sacred self, I feel like unleash your spirit, express your gift, dance to the sacred rhythm of life. So with this card, I feel like you people need to like not take very much tension and be relieved, and you need to dance, be playful, and be anything but your but it should involve your expressions. You should always express yourself, meaning you're not doing currently you may be doing justice but not 100% of it. And with this 11 number, I feel like you are seeing a lot of alignment in your day-to-day life, and the sword it carries, and whatever it is carrying, the crown, the sword, the red, all things, I'm feeling like you need to maintain this balance of give and take in your life, and be just whatever blessings you have. And I know you people receive a lot of downloads from the heaven and the divine through while meditating or through different signs. Okay, even the divine is meditation. Divine, during your meditation, the divine is guiding you. So also listen to the guidance from angel. So I feel like angels are giving you signs. So you may find some feathers random places, and you may also find like some signs, synchronized numbers. So I feel like 11 and number 1. Okay, number 1 is a very important number for you, and 5. I feel like you people are very much changing in your day-to-day life. You're facing a lot of changes. And with the Emperor card, I feel like there is a father figure. Okay, maybe you need to teach people whatever skills and whatever talents you have. Maybe you need to impart it to other people, so that you are able to guide other people to for them to be their best version of themselves. And the message card you got is time for reflection, take inspiration from others' light. Okay, so I feel like you people are into a lot of light, even with this card, and like every card you have got really good cards. So I feel like you people are always divinely guided, you people are always receiving guidance, and you people involved in a lot of self-reflection. Maybe that is why you people are trying to be polite, and you people don't want to hurt others. So you don't like 100% speak your truth, but this is one of the messages are coming strongly to me. It's like you need to speak your truth. you really need to speak your truth, and even whatever comes through your intuition, whatever you are receiving, whatever the downloads you are receiving, you need to tell it to everyone, that seek for your help, the truth, whatever the truth is. And as I fall, I lead the earth to abundance. So I feel like it's okay, to experience certain setbacks. I feel like you people love rain, because not only that, a lot of nature. You people are truly nature lovers. That's why I feel like there is a lot of sign of abundance here in the cards shown. Okay, so I feel like you people love rain, and it's okay to face some setbacks. The hard times, the struggles you go through make you learn a lot of lessons, and those lessons that you have learned, I feel like you have learned a lot of lessons in 2020, and you will implement it in your life in 2021. So you are receiving really a lot of blessings. Maybe you will activate your psychic abilities. Maybe you will go through higher awakening. Maybe you will be a more spiritual being than you currently are. And maybe you will just step into a more peaceful version of yourself. Okay, I hope you resonated with the reading, but the most important message for me, for you, are like, you are receiving a lot of downloads, so just pay attention to your environments. Make some time, at least 11 minutes, for you to meditate. So please focus on meditation also, because you will receive a lot of downloads and guidance for yourself and for others. So I hope you resonated with the reading, and if you did resonate, please comment down below and like the video and share the video. I would love to hear your feedbacks. Thank you, Pile 1. Welcome, Pile 2, to the reading on the messages you need to hear right now. So I'll start with the shuffle. So what are the messages that Pile 2 needs to hear right now? What are the messages that Pile 2 needs to hear right now? The World. What are the messages that Pile 2 needs to hear right now? Healer of the Ages. I feel like you people are healers, and you people also need healing. So let me shuffle a few more decks for you. What are the messages that Pile 2 needs to hear right now? What are the messages that Pile 2 needs to hear right now? What are the messages that Pile 2 needs to hear? The Empress. What are the messages that Pile 2 needs to hear right now? Two of Cups. 2 and 3 number are already there. Wow. Okay. What are the messages that Pile 2 needs to hear right now? What are the messages that Pile 2? What are the messages that Pile 2 needs to hear right now? Success and ordinariness. So I feel like 8 and 6. 6 is a very important number for you, for sure. 3 and 6. And what are the messages that Pile 2 needs to hear? I feel like you people are healers, and you people are going through a lot of transformation. But you also, it is very important for the people who heal or who need healing to work on your shadow self. Okay, so it's like uh, I feel like you people will be experiencing a lot of abundance in the near future. But for that, you people also need to heal yourself. And you are going through a lot of healing, I feel. Okay, so it's like you people will be receiving a lot of abundance in your life throughout your life, not just this year. You people will be really great healers. So I feel like, but for that thing, you need to maintain your work on your shadow self. Okay, you people need to work on your shadow self, and it's okay. Every person has a darker side and a lighter side. So there is no perfect person in this entire universe. So I feel like there is a part of you that you have abandoned, and that is why you people are facing some troubles. You people are facing some control issues, because with this card and this card, I feel like you people want to control everything. You want to know the outcome of your efforts. You want to know everything about your future, present, and everything else. So I would say that you people should just let things go, move with the flow of water. Look, you even got the card for water. The more flexible you are, the more useful you will be to yourself. So it's like even the cup energy is here. So it's like you people are very emotional and impulsive. It's okay to like express yourself and be emotional, because you people are going through a lot of transformation, and you people have completed a cycle of your life. But I also feel like here you people need to look into your life, that is the earth, with a bigger picture. Like a third person, you need to look at your life and then reach to a decision after a thorough analysis. So then you will be able to make very smart decisions and reach to success. So I'm really getting a message for like you people should like keep higher vision for yourself. You people, just because you have got control issues and you want to control everything, you people have got control issues, and you are not able to, make like decisions from a calm, balanced mind. So you people need to like practice ordinariness. Ordinary means like not being in that turmoil, not be in the middle of the storm and then making a decision. Just look into the world like a third person. Okay, and then make a decision, so that you will be able to see the bigger picture of everything. So I want you to see the bigger picture of everything, because it will lead you to better success and better decision making process. So I also feel like you people need to fly high and be like keep higher vision and just flow with the time. Keep that energy of like very flexibility. You just be very flexible. So it's okay, it's okay to make some mistakes, even if you like you people are afraid, like if I be careful, if I be like careless. You people don't want to be careless, because you think being carefree is being careless, and you people are so controlling in nature. So I feel like you people need to keep flowing. You will enjoy your journey and love your destination. You are on the right path. If you needed to hear this, you are on the right path, because no matter how bad the struggle is, no matter how bad the roads are, you need to enjoy as much as of the journey as you want to reach the destination, because destination is just a point of time that lies in the future, but present is your journey. Your journey is the present thing, where you are right now currently. So it really has to matter a lot. And I really feel like you people need to work on your auras also, because with this I feel like you people need to work on your aura. And abundance is all yours. And the people who are trying to meet their soulmates, or especially I'm feeling this feminine energy here. Those who want to meet their soulmate, they will definitely meet this year. Because for me, Two of Cups is a soulmate card. So I hope you people enjoyed your reading and resonated with it. If you did, do subscribe to my channel, share the video, like the video, and comment down below whatever the part you resonated. Thank you so much. Hello pile 3. So these are your messages for what are the messages you want to hear right now. What you need to hear right now. I'm so sorry. What are the messages pile 3 needs to hear right now? What are the messages pile 3 needs to hear right now? 7 of Cups, Knight of Cups. What are the messages pile 3 needs to hear right now? 8 of Wands, Death. Page of Swords. So I feel like you people are really emotional beings, but I also feel at the same time like there is a very calm energy here. With the Knight of Cups. Okay. So I feel like you people have been through a lot in the past. And I see like you people have been through really, really major transformations. Like the one that can put you really out of your mental space. So I feel like you people have been through a lot, and a lot of confusion also I'm seeing. But these are not confusions, actually you see them as confusions, but these are actually the opportunities that universe has offered you, that the divine has offered you. Okay, so I feel like you people have gone some event that really shocked you a lot. But currently I feel like your current energy is like you are very much into the present, and you are very much renewed in your thoughts. You don't care what you have been through, you don't care whatever you have survived, and you have learned your lessons. And it's like, okay, the bad time is over, now I will take charge of my life. So I will just take charge of my life, and even though I proceed in a very slow manner, I will proceed. There is no chance that I will stop, because you people know that you are loved by the divine. You people know that you are loved by the divine, and nothing in the world can change it. You are loved by the universe. Look, I feel like this card for me represents like you're shooting the wishes into the universe, and it is actually getting fulfilled. So I feel like you people, manifest a lot of things for yourself, and despite many things, you have been through major shifts with the Death card here. I feel like you people have been reborn into a whole new person. You people have been reborn into a whole new person, and what you value the most is your existence right now. And currently you are in the scenario where you are there and the universe is there. You and your divine. The connection is very pure, and your thoughts are really renewed. You don't care about the past, whatever past has happened for your good. You have learned your lesson. So now you don't want to care about the past. You want to care about the future, and you are not even like anxious about the outcome. You are not even anxious about the outcome. You people are very much relaxed and in calm energy. But I also feel like number 3 is very important. It may be your birth month, it may be your birth date, but number 3 is quite important number for you. Okay. So I feel like you people are really balanced beings with this lotus card. For me is like balance, and it's such a blue energy here, and even in this card. So I feel like you people are very trusting, and you people are very like, going with the flow, just like the energy of water. So I really like that. What are the messages from my cards for you? Let me check. So these are the cards I prepared. I love making these cards. River, keep flowing. You will enjoy your journey and love your destination. You are on the right path. So as I was talking about the journey and the river, and look, rainbow. I feel you people absolutely love rainbows, and you people get excited about the rainbows, and your chakras are balanced. Okay, so I feel like you people need to fill your mind, body and soul with colors. If you like painting, drawing, or anything that you do to connect with your inner child, but I am really getting a strong message here for painting and drawing. So if you like to paint, do it. Okay, it's okay. You people need to find some time and space for your whatever thing you needed to enjoy, whatever thing you used to enjoy as a child. So I feel like you people are. I feel like this pile, you don't have to work on many of your things, because you are a very balanced people. And even though I feel like you people have been through a lot of struggles, I don't feel like you people have lost hope about life. You people want to constantly try. So let me pull one, this card. I'll just end the reading. This card, Picasso stone. So have you noticed the writing on the wall? Do you need to express yourself through the written words? Are you aware of how your thoughts create? You are the weaver and you are the woven one. You are the dreamer and you are the dream. Except that you have the power to define your destiny, fate and reality through your focus and imagination. Exactly. So I feel like you people manifest a lot of things, and you people know how powerful you are, how that faith in yourself, that belief in yourself has. You people think that you are the ones who control your destiny. So I feel like you people may be seeing a lot of spiders also nearby. So I observe, this is the affirmation for you. So I'm just highlighting it if you want to take a screenshot. So I observe the patterns and symbols, easily interpret their meanings. Writing, creating, bring greater understanding. My imagination is active. I have great creative ideas that I easily bring into reality. I create reality. Creativity flows through me in myriad of ways. So I feel like you people are really creative, and you need to do something that you like, something creative, especially drawing and scripting and writing. I'm also getting this strong message of scripting. If you people know the technique of scripting and you want to manifest certain things, then it will work 100% for you. So I would suggest that if you want to manifest something, I feel like you people already know how to manifest, but still if you want to manifest something, scripting will be a very good idea. So I hope you resonated with the reading, and for like being updated with my contents, please subscribe to my video